This video tutorial is compatible with Photoshop CC and Photoshop CS6. I've color graded this image using one of my curves presets. Let's just open up the curves dialog here, and you can see that we've got the preset cross process 2 applied to this image, and this has got quite some severe curves in the red, green and blue channels, particularly the blue channel here, and this was just applied from the preset here. Okay, in order to create that preset, it's a fairly simple task. We just need to come back, and I'll choose the default here to put this image back into its standard color. And then we can go and set about doing a little bit of damage to this file. Let's select the blue channel, and I'll just grab the white input there and just drag that significantly lower so we get these sort of yellow highlights here. And I'll drag that black input slider and drag it up and just move that down so we got some nice blue shadows. And you can vary the settings for any particular image. Okay, I've got a bit of both going on there, and then we'll come down to a green channel. Okay, let's just put a little bit of contrast in the green channel, put a little bit of an S curve going in there, and come down to the red channel, and we'll move that across. We'll do some a little bit of clipping in the red channel, and then bring some contrast to that red channel and bring it a little bit higher. And then in the RGB channel we could put in some additional contrast there if required. Okay, now if I've got my color grading that I want to save as a preset to roll out on other images, then it's just a simple case of coming to the flyout menu, choosing Save Curves preset, choosing a name for it. I'll just call this ESP grading, and then just hit save. Okay, this will now be available as a preset that I can roll out over other images. If you're applying one of your presets, let's just go back to that original cross process 2, slightly different look. You might need to fine tune this with any image, but it might give you a very good starting point from which to fine tune your color grading for your next image. And I could just then simply override the preset by coming into the blue channel and making some modifications as I see fit.